Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create an opt-in landing page from scratch for the purpose of drawing in more traffic and getting more attention so that you can promote and sell more of your products and services. So if you're ready, I'm ready. And without further ado, let's get to it. All right, so I'm going to create a funnel from scratch just for you guys. So the first thing I do is here, click create. And I want to put a name. Now, because I'm just testing this, I'm going to put the name test. Test this. I'll put test this. Now it says build an audience. All right. Or you can sell a product. So I'm not selling a product. I'm building an audience. I just want to exchange my lead magnet for their contact information. That's all I want to do with this one right here, with this landing page. All right. So I'm going to save this. There it is. Test this. I click on that and immediately it's going to show me different options that I can choose from. Okay. So I like to choose these for a landing page. So I'll do that. Select. Here we go. All right. So now I can click view funnel step and that's what it looks like for now. You don't really need to add this extra stuff. Like what I like is just here. This is all, right? This is all I need, right? Boom. There it is. People are satisfied with that. Oh, they read the information, they read the headline and the subheading, and then they go, okay, click the button there. But because we want their contact information, I'm going to show you how to add. I'm going to show you how to add in whatever else you need. Like there are inputs that you can add to this, so that you're collecting all the right information. And I'll show you. Now, edit page, click that. Right here, if I want, I can have my logo. Or I can just get rid of it, right? There's the trash can right there. I can get rid of it, but if I have a logo, let's say you have a logo. Now, it says image file for my logo. I would click this, upload. I can either upload it from my files, or I already have it saved. So your images, I have a bunch of images already saved. Here's my logo, Mind Scrambler right there. Insert. Now here's how you change the size right here. Image size. For this, I like to make the size like 70, 60 or 70. Let's go with 70. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go with 70. I don't really need this right here. You could have it if you want. You could put something in there, like a little motto or something. Yeah. Live your best life. I'm just putting that in there. It's not that you got to put in. You don't have to. You can just like delete it. But live your best life. You put some of them. I put a little motto in. Then I go here now. The cover page. So what I'm going to put here. Same thing. I say 3 power points. 3 power points for turning strangers into qualified leads. Don't need it that big. Make it smaller. And then also the lines. See how the lines are far apart. I can go here to line height. Make the lines a little smaller. I can go down to here. Actually, let me just go ahead and copy and paste. I can just copy and paste really. Now, I want to add in an input right here. 1. So it depends on how much information do I want. 2 and 3. I like to get, so I click this right here. So you have to double click 1, 2, right there. And then up here it says select a type. So I like that. Oops, select type. Get my first name. I want the person's first name. Then I click 1, 2, select type. Then I want the person's last name. 1, 2. Then I want email. You can add the phone number or whatever else you want, right? But that's what I normally ask for. And now I have the button. The button is already here, but you don't want to have the wording sign up today. Now, the photo. Now, this is kind of a long photo. So this would be more like a PDF. So you can go into Canva. I can go back here and I can say, okay, maybe I want this right here as my photo. So it's already a PDF. I click on share. I click on download. Now, I want it to be a PNG. A PNG is just for a photo that has no links to it. You don't care about the links. I don't want the whole PDF file. So yes, I just want a PNG photo, and I only want number 1. So I can click that, they all go off, and then I click on number 1, right? So it's going to give me page 1. It's not going to be in a PDF. It's going to be in a PNG form. Download. All right, PNG. There we go. So now let's look at it right here. See, boom, got the picture. I go back to my editor. I click, so image file, hit the upload. And then what I can do here is I can click, because it already downloaded here, I drag and drop. Voila. Insert. There's my image. I can make the image smaller, right? I don't want it to be too big, oversized. All right. I can even move it down. Let me see. There we go. Move it down that way. Right? Just so it can be more level with the wording here. It's not too high. All right. It's also level here. Now I can just take this off. Right? I don't need it. Or I can add some wording there if I want. But let's take that out. Hit the trash can here, hit OK, and it's gone. But what I like to do is I like to add some text. Not that. I like to add some text right underneath this button. In the text, I will say, we will never use your information for any other use. And I can make it smaller, go over here, font size. So let's see. I'll go down here. Now, I don't need any of this stuff. Start deleting it. All right. All right, so see, I have my logo here and say my motto, got my heading, got my subheading, my headline, my subheading. I have the input buttons here, or input information here. So first name, last name, email, and then the button for them to click that will take them to, I'll show you, it's going to take them to the next page. So this button here, click on that, and right here, action when button is clicked. What do you want? What action do you want to happen when they click this button? You want it to submit a form? So if you wanted to submit a form, that means you would have to go back and create an email for that to happen. Or I can do a pop-up, or I can open a URL or the next step URL, or download a file. So many things you can do here. So I'm going to put, let's put next step URL. Let's put that for now. I'm going to save right here. I'm going to save it. If you want to send an email when they click it as well. So that's another good thing I do. You can or don't have to, but recommend send them an email. So automation rules. We're going to click add rule. And then right here it says funnel step from subscribed occurs when a contact has just subscribed through a form. All right, so click that. Now I'm going to I'm going to click it again, and it says add action. Then go to add a tag. Now I can choose a tag, and I scroll down, test this. Then I have to hit save rule, or it won't work. You have to save this rule. Save rule. Now, what if I want to do an email also? I click on the same thing, funnel step from subscribe, and then I say add action, send an email. So it says send an email to a contact. Click that, and then I hit the plus sign right here. Now I can create my email. Yep, now hit save. And what will happen is it will automatically send them my email once they do what? Once they click. Let me see where we at. Okay, save rule. Let me hit save rule. Go back to step configuration, and I can view funnel. So what you do here is, you go back, edit page. Get this out the way. Get that out the way. All right, so you go edit page, click back on the button, and then you hit submit form. That's going to tag them as well as send them the email, right? So now you hit save. You go back. You can go back here. If you want to get started using Systeme.io today, down below in the description, I placed the link. So go down, click the link, and get started. All right, so from here, you hit view funnel step. When they click the button, it says, no, you have to first fill out these fields in order to receive this information, your free PDF. So let's go back here to edit. You may want to change the color of that. So let's see here. There you go. Background. So background color. You might want to make it, dark purple, whatever. Yeah. Something like that. Anyway, or not. Oh, we can make it even like the golden color. Something like that. Right? There we go. Now, here's another thing. But this setting, click the settings, scroll down, and what you're going to do is you're going to look for right here at the title. It says squeeze page. That will come out on the link if you deliver it without changing this. So if I say, okay, what's again, three PowerPoints, right? 3 PowerPoints. And then I come down, it says social image. You want to put a social image in there. Okay. Let's just pick one. I'll just pick this one right here. Social image, click that, and that's in there. Okay. We're almost there. We're almost there. I think we're there now. Hit the save changes, and that'll take care of that. Now we have to go to the thank you. We have to create the thank you for them. Now in the thank you, you can actually put the link for them to receive the PDF. You can put it in the email if you want, or you can also put it in the thank you. So click that thank you, and all of this comes up. Now let me see. I'll accept this one. Select this one here. So once again, now when you have the thank you, you can have, I like to get rid of this right here. So I'm going to delete that. And what you can do is, let me get a new image for that. Good. Now I did use this picture. So when you send out the link, that picture is going to pop up in the box right over top of the link that as the link anyway. So I can put it here as well. Thanks for, thanks, you're awesome. So you can change the message, of course. Congrats, you did. Now, here's another thing. Let's say that, okay, you're like, man, but those words, I would love to have a darker background. Canva is great with creating stuff like that. You can create the darker background. I'm not going to do it in this video. I am going to show how to do that, but not in this video. But you can create a darker background. So when you put the words out here, like these big words, they're really, really pop. Now you have the arrow here. Now we go down to this box here. Click this box. right? We're going to go over this entire line right here because we want this whole entire line to activate. We have the link here and a box opens up. So I click the download and I'm going to click this button here, this download button, which already has my PDF, and I'm going to bring it in and drop it in. It's going to show up here in Words, hit the insert. It's in the box there. Click the disk, the save disk, and voila, hit the save right here. Now I'm going to check it. Let me click that icon and right here, click. Boom, they get the PDF. All right, it's like magic, right? All right, so go back. So we're looking pretty good. We're looking pretty good. Now we have this information down here. We don't need it. So let me go back. We got that. Make sure all the wording that you want is right here. And then what you're going to do is scroll down. So let's hit save changes. Always got to save those changes. You don't really need to worry about settings because it's a thank you page. You're not going to just deliver somebody a thank you page. All right. So don't worry about that. Let me see. Let's go back here. Let's go click on 3 PowerPoints and then we're going to get the link. So we're going to get the link. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Messenger page. That's where I'm going. Yeah, I go to my Messenger page. I can do it in an email if I want as well, but this is quicker. This is quicker. Let me go to my Messenger page. Paste it in there. And if you notice, see, 3 PowerPoints and the picture shows up. So like I said, you want to make sure you do that part in the setting because if you don't, no picture will show up and it'll say squeeze page. And you'll be like, why does this person send me a squeeze page? What's that all about? Right? It doesn't look professional at all. They're going to get it. They're going to click that. Here they are. If they try to click this button just to get the information without filling out the field, doesn't work. Once they fill out the field, they click the button. It will take them to the thank you page. They're going to go here. They're going to click it and they're going to get the download. And like I said, you can also, okay, let me get off of that. You can also go to automation rules. So now for the thank you page, automation rules, click on what I have here, the funnel step, form subscribe. And right here is the email. Click on edit email message. You would go here to add attachment. That's what you would do. Add attachment. Here is the PDF. And the attachment is there. All right. So you can let them know, click the attachment down below. Click the attachment. Click the attachment. Right. Boom. Hit save. And the attachment to the PDF. So you can actually do both. You can send it in the email as well as send it, put it in the thank you page if you want. So you can do both. All right, guys. So, we covered a lot, didn't we? All right, guys, that's it for this training session. I hope you enjoyed yourself and I hope you got a lot out of it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your big aha moment was. Also, if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. I will get back to you. Now, I also want to let you know to watch out for my future videos because there is so much to offer in these funnel systems that it's too much to teach here at one time, but I'm going to be breaking them down piece by piece, doing videos right here for you guys to see how each component works. Also, I invite people to a group class where I teach you step by step on how to create these different components, and I do it live while you're also able to also work on it while I'm teaching you. Isn't that fantastic? So look out for my invitations. I will be posting them. I will be also doing future videos and letting you know when I'm going to be having these types of classes. All right, guys. So hope you got a lot out of this. Once again, any questions, leave a comment. Thumbs up if you like the video. Also, subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. Ring that notification bell so that you know when more of my videos are coming out. All right. Till next time, stay up. Peace out.